Alright, today is Trigger Pull Thursday, and today I'm going to be looking at a very popular new pistol, and it is a collaboration between Ruger and Magpul. So here's a first look at it. It is the RxM. And right there it says pistol will fire with magazine removed. It's got some nice stippling on the grip. And right there it says read instructions. And it was made by Ruger in Prescott, Arizona, USA. And I think, let's see, on the chamber it also says 9mm Luger. So this thing has no magazine, and the barrel is clear. See if I can show that. There's the barrel, it's clear. And I have, oh, this is the RxM sticker they sent me, or they gave me. And when I walked into the gun shop last Sunday, there's a stack of these. I think it was 10 or 12 on a shelf, and by the time I left it was cut down in half. There were like 6 left, so it's very popular. And this thing comes with Pmags, 15 round GL9 Pmags. There's the indicator right there. Pmags work pretty good. And I'm going to load this up. Oh, did I say this? You need a loader with this, and the Glock 9mm loader works fine. It's got an enhanced magazine well, just a little bit of a flare, but magazine shakes a little bit. I don't know what that means. So let's try a trigger pull on this with a snap cap loaded up. I have not taken this to the range yet, probably will pretty soon. See if I can get my little Lyman trigger gauge working. Alright, let's do a trigger pull on this thing. First trigger pull, 3 pounds, 14.9 ounces. Let's try another one. First snap cap removed. Let's try another trigger pull. Four pounds, 7.9 ounces. Let's try one more. Three pounds, 13.1 for an average of 4 pounds, 1.3 ounces, which is pretty good for right out of the factory. So that's the first trigger pull on the Ruger RxM. I got this for under $400, so I couldn't really pass it up. Should be a good one. And being made in the USA definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.